it. But why? You know what? It's fine. I just need to calm. Oh my God, what are you doing? Stay back. Because I have a cold. As you can see, I am very sick and it is probably contagious. You should definitely go back to your house where it is safe for you and safe for me. Okay, well, bye. Bye. Do you need help moving your feet or? Okay, lady, I don't know who you think you are, but I'm trying very subtly to give you the hint, but you are just not taking it. Sorry, that was a little much, but you need to go. You know, I'm really not this kind of person, but you are just not budging. So, wow, I'm giving you the opportunity to leave by yourself, but you are just not taking it. So, bye. Wait, is that my dog? Did you seriously steal my dog?
I'm stuck inside this dumb house, in this dumb room, with dumb games. I could be doing amazing things right now if I wasn't stuck inside. I could build a bicycle. No, that seems like too much work. I could actually go outside. I mean, I'm young. I'm 13. I probably get too sick. Parents always yell at me when I try to go ride my bike to see my friends. Henry, get back inside. Henry, there's a reason we're inside. If only I could be outside. I could go to a restaurant, talk to my friends, and I wouldn't get sick at all. I'd be perfectly fine. Well, I guess that's not the point of saying it. I might not get sick, but people I'm around might get sick. Who cares? It's not my problem. But my grandma, she's probably most at risk with her being sick and all that. I mean, maybe I could stay in a little longer, just for her. This isn't the worst thing to ever happen. I think I'll just stay inside.
Ugh, when is this thing gonna end? I'm so bored. I can't even go outside to play baseball. I'm stuck at home with nothing to do except boring online classes. Is this virus really that bad? Bad enough to have to stay at home, do nothing, and wash your hands every single minute? My name is Lucas. I'm in 5th grade. Well, kind of. Does online class count as school? I'm not sure. Well, I still have work. It's boring work. I mean, physical school is boring too, but at least I'm not stuck in home. Like, I just want to play baseball. Is that all that much to ask for? Like, I tried to play baseball in the house and knocked over a base. But it's not my fault though. My coach told me to practice. Anyway, I think I'll go now. I'll go get my laptop from my backpack. Oh wait, shoot, I left my backpack at school.
I can't believe I agreed to do this, but at some point you gotta let it out. So why not now? I am sick of being at home. Yeah, my husband's here, but he works so much and I never get to see him. I want to talk to people in person other than my husband. But no, you have to stay 6 feet apart. That is no way to have a private conversation. You know, I shouldn't be worrying about myself. I'm so selfish. But they are my feelings. And at some point, I gotta let them out. Right? some of my friends are getting together. And of course, they invited me. Don't get me wrong, I really want to go. But I have to be the responsible adult and stay 6 feet apart. I mean, what if I got the virus? I'm not really at risk. Wait, why am I the only one of my friends that are worried? Do they know something I don't know? Are they talking about me behind my back? Wow, I sound like a kid. I can't do this anymore.
Hi, my name's Ben. I'm 12 years old, and when the coronavirus struck, I was really scared. I was scared for my health, my friend's health, and my parents' health. And those gloomy thoughts circulated around my head for, well, as long as I can really remember now. I used to be an optimistic child, always thinking of the best case scenario, but now, I can't but think of the worst. I can imagine one day, when I wake up, I may never see one of them again. My friends, my parents, and my cousins. I can't but think of them and how fragile our life is currently. But it's hard to think. What if the coronavirus just went away? Just stopped? I think most of us will still have part of us in that time, living that very life that we're going through right now.
Man, how long will this last? I think I'm actually going insane here. No friends, no family, no fast food. How can one survive? Wow. I can't believe I'm about to say this. I want to go to actual school. There. I said it. Okay? I want to go to actual school. The school year's ending and I won't get to say goodbye to my friends. Think of all the fun things we could be doing right now. Well, I guess that's just how life is sometimes. You've got to be strong in times like these. Wait, I could write a letter to my friend. Well, isn't that a bit old school? Or I could call them. No, that's too cliche. Oh, I forgot the most basic, yet most fun thing. Texting. Thank goodness for texting. I, Julie Carrender, am officially bored.
Hi, my name is Millie. I love walking around in the sunshine and especially swimming with my swim team. But ever since my brother's best friend has been in the hospital, he asked my brother to take care of his turtle for him. I don't know why he didn't choose his parents, but they're also staying here since our house is closer to the hospital. Anyway, my brother Ben is always keeping the turtle in the bathtub where I can somewhat swim. I really miss swimming, but ever since the turtle's been in there, I can't do anything. One day I saw Ben talking on the phone with his best friend Steve. Steve is sick with COVID-19, and his parents have been a bit of a mess as well. They are staying in my room, so I'm having to sleep on the couch, for now. I always wonder when this is going to end. This month has not gone by fast enough. It's only April 3rd. I feel like I'm over-exaggerating, but, March flew by. Today is the 16th of April, and I have been doing nothing. Steve is supposed to be out of the hospital in 2 days, which is great. He got really lucky compared to the people and stories I've heard over the news. But anyway, April is still going, surprisingly.
It really stinks that I can't hang out with my friends. All I want to do is hang out with them. Is it my fault that the stupid coronavirus is the thing? Is it my fault that people have to stay at home? Is it my fault that I can't hang out with my friends? If I don't hang out with someone that's not in my family, I'll go insane. Wait a minute, I have an idea. I'll just sneak out and meet up with my friends. Yes, that's what I'll do. I'll run away. Okay, what do I need? I need a toothbrush, a change of clothes, and my Xbox. But how am I gonna fit that into a Walmart sack? Oh, I know. I'll combine a whole bunch of sacks to make one big sack. Yes, brilliant. And I'll go the redneck way and use duct tape to attach them together. But where is the duct tape? I think it's in the laundry room. No, it's in the kitchen. Or is it in my bedroom? Or is it in my bedroom? I don't know. This makes my brain hurt.
I'm stuck at home with nothing to do. I can't get money for our family. We need money. We are a rich family. What if we can't pay for food? I know we can, but what if? All these thoughts of what if are on my mind. I just wish there was a way to still do my movie and still be at home. Hello? It's 1 a.m. Why'd you call me? Well, I mean, I can sleep. What? Wait, what? Yes! I can't wait. Thank you so much. Mom! They're making a thing where we Zoom with kids and it's to cheer them up and I get paid. Mom, were you even listening to me? Ugh.
I am a young lad who wants to become a chess champion, but in order to do that, I must survive the COVID-19 pandemic. I feel like I'm going insane. Why was COVID-19 invented in the first place? I've already seen enough birds die when they hit my window. Now my family's never going to recover from this lockdown. If this keeps going on, I'll never become a chess champion. All I can do now is play beginner chess, watch the raindrops roll down the window and see which one wins, and play table football. Besides, if I don't get a haircut soon, I could obviously look identical to Cousin It. I always envy my cats, telling them that they have absolutely zero idea how lucky they are. I always say, I envy you, kitties. You don't have to go to school. You don't have to go on long hikes. You don't have to worry about COVID-19. Do you know how that feels? No, of course you don't. You have no idea how lucky you are.
Oh boy. Well, everybody I know's gone, and I'm all alone. I search for food every day, and I try to avoid those violent, disgusting people who try to attack you for it. They might even have the virus. It's kind of hard. But that gives those guys called police. They have no right to take me from this beautiful land. Oh, there goes the Chrysler building. They said they would help me. I was putting me in one of those big metal birds and sending me to another dumb place in this world helping. Well, it would get me away from the virus. But I don't really care about that wimpish thing. And they didn't even have permission from me. How rude of them. To drag one from their home without a say. Unacceptable. Don't you think, Charles? Exactly, Charles. I had lots of fun before the police came. I loved getting chased by those gross, hungry people. It's like playing tag. I can also steal from them. I can make fun of them, etc., etc. Oh, Charles, remember that time we went to that pizzeria and ate all that pizza? That's what I thought, Charles. It was so good. I was stuffed that day. Oh no, I just remembered. The anchovies! Those are vile. The taste haunts my mouth every day. It hurts just to think about it. Ah! How about we don't think about that, Charles? Oh yeah, I remembered. Yesterday we went someplace and I kicked a big metal box that said something about Wi-Fi on it. Yep, that's right. W-I-F-I. Indeed. Wi-Fi. You know, it might have said something else. You see, I can't read. Still, I wonder what it meant. When I got home that day, Google wouldn't work, so I went to Google's headquarters and I kicked a few random people and ruined their work. Ha! They got what they deserved. And now to think of it, it's kind of wacky they work at times like these. Memories. You know, I should thank this virus for all the fun it's provided me. Thank you. But I don't want to go. This is my home, even though it's Yeah. Wait, was that the Empire State Building that just fell? First the Chrysler Building, and now this? Mamma mia! You know, today we're gonna force those guys out of our land. Right, Charles? That's exactly the answer I was expecting, Charles. Let's do this. I stole this from a guy in the streets. It looks effective. Oops. Now where was I? Oh yeah, those police guy. They're gonna pay. Oh wait, I have to Google something. Yeah. Hey, what do you mean, no internet? I thought those guys learned a lesson or two about shutting down Google.